family liberation, whereby they destroy ancestral shrines, ancestral effigies, as a way to liberate a family from the shackles of spirits or the shackles of deities and idols. This is not how we will do it within our cultural sphere. We'll acknowledge the fact that these spirits were existing before our ancestors, that our ancestors brought them into our environment for a specific purpose. And the purpose whereby they were brought into, they performed that function. Because the function is the reasons why we exist currently. So we do not ignore their efforts. So peradventure, we've gotten to a point whereby we feel that we do no longer need them to guide us or to perform that function that our ancestors set when they were instituted them. Then what we do is we go through the right channel. Now, in cases whereby this suffering that has been caused is against our